battle between a cobra and mongoose is a legendary fight in the animal kingdom, often depicted in stories and folklore. These two animals are known for their intense rivalry, and when they meet, it's an epic struggle of speed, agility, and survival in instincts. Cobra, with their venomous bite, are fearsome predator, often striking with incredible precision. They use their hood to intimidate their prey, and once they strike, they deliver a lethal dose of venom. The cobra usually releases on its venom to immobilize its prey and then swallow it whole. On other, the mongoose is a small but fierce predator known for its agility and quick reflexes. It has natural immunity to many types of snake venoms, including the cobras, which make it formidable opponent. When a mongoose faces a cobra, the fight begins with a cautious approach as both animals size each other. The cobra raises its hood and strikes first, but the mongoose is fast, dodging the deadly bite with ease. The mongoose uses its agility to dart in and out, attacking the cobra's vulnerable areas such as the head and neck. The fight is a dance of life and death, with mongoose trying to wear down the cobra, while the cobra is trying to land a venomous strike. If the mongoose is successful in evading the cobra's attack, then long enough, it may find an opening to deliver a fatal bite to cobra. Alternatively, the cobra might retreat if it feels overwhelmed. This battle is one of endurance, with mongoose quickness and cobra's venomous strike being tested to their limits. The cobra is solitary and highly terrestrial snakes, often found in a variety of habitats from forest to grassland. It is one of the most recognizable snake due to its distinctive hood, which is raised when threatened. Cobras are primarily nocturnal, hunting at night for some mammals, birds, and reptiles. Their hunting techniques rely on stealth and venomous strike. When a cobra strikes, it injects venom through its fangs into its prey. The venom quickly immobilizes the victim, allowing the cobras to consume its meal. The cobra are also known to be highly protective of their nests, especially when they are laying eggs. Unlike some other snake species, they care of their eggs by keeping them warm and guarding them until they hatch. Cobra do not engage in much social interaction and prefer to keep to themselves. They often seen as symbol of power and danger due to their ability to paralyze and kill with a single strike. The mongoose is a small but incredibly agile mammal often found in both rural and wild environment, known for their intelligence and dexterity. Mangoes are natural hunter feeding on a variety of prey, including insects, small mammals, and reptiles. They are highly social animals, often living in groups which work together to hunt and protect each other. Mangoes are excellent climbers and swimmers, and their diet can including everything from birds to snake. Their ability to fight and kill venomous snakes such as cobra. This is due to their speed, agility, and natural immunity to snake venom. Mangoes often attack snakes by darting in and out of striking range, targeting the snake's head or neck. While mangoes are brave in combat, they also spend a significant portion of their lives foraging for food and socializing with their family groups. They live in burrow or nest and are known to be very vocal, using a variety of sound to communicate with each other. Mangoes have a strong sense of smell, which they use to track down prey or to detect predator. Despite their bravery in battle, they are very often seen in their social and playful groups dynamics, which are essential for their survival in the world. Those are fascinating creatures that exhibit a range of behaviors and adaptations that help them thrive in their environment. There are around 30 different species of mangoes, and they can be found in Africa, Asia, and parts of Europe. Some species like Indian grey mangoes are well known for their encounters with venomous snakes, while others are more arboreal or terrestrial in their habitats. Mangoes are incredibly agile and swift with sharp reflexes that allow them to avoid danger and catch fast moving prey. They are also known for their social structure. Some mangoes, such as the meerkats, live in large colonies or groups that work together to forage, protect each other, and raise young. These groups have a clear hierarchy with the dominant individual taking the leading in the decision making. Mangoes are omnivores, which means they have a diverse diet that includes fruits, insects, small mammals, birds, and reptiles. Their ability to hunt small prey is aided by their keen sense, particularly their sharp sense of smell and excellent vision. They are also feeders, meaning they will scavenge, scavenge when they come across a carcass or a food source left behind by another predator. One of the most interesting traits of mangoes is their high metabolism, which allows them to consume large amount of food in short period of time. This is essential for their survival, as they expend a lot of energy while hunting and moving swiftly. Their fur is often dense and short, helping them to stay warm in cooler environment and providing some protection from bites. Mangoes also exhibit fascinating behavioral adaptation when it comes to their defense mechanism. Their speed and agility are key to avoiding predators, but they are also known for being very vocal. They make a variety of sound, from high-pitched squeaks to warning calls, which help alert the groups to potential danger. Some species often use well even chase of large predators working together to intimate and ward off threats. In terms of reproduction, mongoose typically give birth to little of up to 4 or 5 pups. The young are born blind and helpless, but are quickly cared for by the mother and other members of the group.